In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about selecting and editing elements. Building design projects typically involve extensive changes to the model. The Autodesk Revit software was designed to make such changes quickly and efficiently. You can change an element by using methods as I'll describe briefly in this example. If we select this pipe that we have here connected up to the toilet pan, we can see a few things that's changed. So we've got our standard ribbon and our properties based on the floor plan that we've got, but as soon as we select it, you can see that the ribbon's changed. We've got options and properties have changed. This first part, the properties, the type selector, this enables you to specify a different type. This is frequently used to change the size and/or style of the elements. The properties here, this enables you to modify the information, in other words the parameters, associated with the selected elements. As you can see, what level it's on, heights, elevations, bottom elevations, etc. Diameter of pipe. Also, as you can see here, we have the temporary dimensions. This enables you to change the element's dimensions or positions. In other words, we can make this pipe longer or shorter. The contextual tab, as you can see, that changed. In the ribbon contains the modify commands and the element specific tools. In other words, what do we want to do next? Add a vertical, change the slope, add insulation, etc. The controls that you see at the end of the item that you've got selected, this enables you to drag, or not in this case but in other cases, to flip, lock and rotate the elements. They're usually associated with fittings where you can change direction of the angle of the fitting. These also have connectors, so it's controls and connectors at the end of these items, and the connectors control how related elements attach to another with intelligence about size, needed fittings and system information, and this only applies in the MEP side of things. So if we show as an example here and we delete this pipework, we can just press the delete key on our keyboard, or we can press the delete key here. Now if we zoom in onto this pan and we right click in the center here, you can see we've got an option pop up saying draw pipe. You also see the information of the connector. In other words, there's a 25mm connection, an inlet connection of cold water. Now if we click on draw pipe, it's going to ask us, because this has got two connectors, a sanitary or domestic, we want to connect to connector 1. And then we draw our pipe across. And then we're back to where we started from at the beginning of this example. So you can see how the connectors work. We can also right click on here and click delete as well if you want to choose a third option of deleting the method.